Hello everyone. Welcome to this course on Introduction to Artificial Intelligence and Artificial Intelligence for a particular domain. This course has been customized and tailor-made for the students of IBS. And this presentation, this short video is to quickly brief you on what this course is all about and why it is very much important for you to pick up this course for your final placements. And this is a life skill. I wouldn't call it as a technical skill needed for your life. This is a life skill which is needed for your life throughout. So we are going to cover MyShiksha, what it is, the platform which is offering you this course. We'll understand the overview of the course. We'll understand the learning objectives that we are planning to achieve through this course and the syllabus that you would learn as part of this course. And finally, what makes the difference when we have so many options in the market? Why choose this particular course against others? We'll take it one by one. First step, what is MyShiksha and what do we offer? So MyShiksha is an IIM alumnus firm with mentors coming from different IIMs and top B schools and trainers coming from top consulting companies. In fact, MyShiksha offers a wide range of tailor-made online courses and training programs for the students and faculty matching the needs to improve their skills and gain qualifications that will actually help them to be successful in the placement as well as in the corporate world. In fact, if I have to give you the background, the programs and the courses that you find in MyShiksha platform are actually coming from the specific needs that are being asked by different colleges and the corporates. So as practitioners, when we feel that okay, there is a gap in the market and there is a request by somebody to fulfill that gap, we design courses. We carefully design the courses to ensure that every aspect is covered so that that particular gap is fulfilled. So we have successfully offered a lot of customized online training programs and courses for different educational institutions based on the needs coming from the college and from the students. In fact, our experience in the market spans for the last 10 years. The mentors in our platform have actually been mentoring students from the top B schools, ranging from IIMs to IIM and the newer IIMs. And of course, we have been doing a lot of faculty development programs also to ensure that the teachers also get the cutting edge learning and technology. And what do we offer? So there are broad set of offerings that we offer in MyShiksha. Online courses through our enhanced student friendly portal, training programs, faculty development programs, workshops, one-to-one career mentoring for the students, where we train them, we mentor them, give them career counseling, and also we look at their CVs, modify it, give a standard template, and get it placement ready. Group discussion training. So all these placement related workshops are offered either online or in the campus, depending on the requirement of the students on the campus. Now with that background, now we have understood what this platform is all about. Now let's step into the magical world of AI. That is what this course is all about. So are you ready to step into this magical world of AI? So this particular course is designed by the practitioners from the industry who are solving the bigger corporate and the societal problems with the help of technology and artificial intelligence. And this course will actually help you to peek into the AI world and help you to understand what this magical world of AI is all about. It has been carefully designed to start with the fundamentals because I know very well that AI is a very, very complex topic. And if you just go and search for AI online, I can confidently say that AI is not a skill which you can acquire by just going through online websites and stuff, different articles, which is easily available for as free resource for everyone. But if you notice, there are only two types of articles you will find. Either the articles which are focused on how AI is a bigger one, how AI offers you different jobs, careers in AI, which talks about the fancy world of AI, or it talks about the statistical world of artificial intelligence. That is, it talks about statistical algorithms and how they are used. And there is no in-between course which can be a mix of both. That is, which can talk about the skills that you may need as an MBA student, as a college student. What kind of skills I can acquire so that I can begin my career in artificial intelligence? Where is it getting applied? How is it getting applied? So what should I learn to become a successful AI professional? So there is no course that lies in between these two extremes which will talk about all these aspects. So here in this course, we have carefully designed it so that you can start from the fundamentals scratch and then cover various dimensions of the unique world. That is machine learning. How do you implement machine learning and what should be the career roadmap for you? So we cover all these aspects. So if you want to explore artificial intelligence as a skill, this is the right course for you. And you need to understand why AI is important today. So there is one thing which I have learned from my experience in the last 15 years. One, anything that is coming up in the market, are you ready to be ahead of the curve and learn it upfront, even before the market picks it up? If you're able to do that, that means you will be able to find a good job in the market when others are still lagging behind. This is called as leading the curve concept. That is, if you see that the curve is going to be like this, you should stay ahead of the curve. You should be leading the curve by picking up the skills which are needed for tomorrow. And I need not tell you, AI is seen as the electricity today. That is the kind of innovation AI is going to bring today. It is going to make a big difference in the market tomorrow. So, are you ready to pick up this new skill? That is in your hands. So, let's look at the learning objectives for this course. This course has been designed to help the participant to have a deeper understanding of the AI world by covering different modules on the basics of AI and how that AI as a concept is being applied in the domain. Like if you're a marketing student, you should understand how AI is getting applied in marketing. If you're a finance student, you should know how AI is getting applied in finance. So depending on what your domain is, we have a second course as part of this package, whereby in the first course, you will learn about artificial intelligence and its basics. And in the second course, you will learn more about how AI is getting applied in the respective domains. So finally, at the end of this program, you will be exposed to the new skill of artificial intelligence and the practical applications of it in the domain. Because this is what will make you successful in the market. Knowing the concept and how it is getting applied. And that will trigger you the right interest in the mind, which will help you to learn more in the coming days. And what is the syllabus? What are we planning to cover? So I will just take a minute to explain the flow of how this course has been designed. So we have consciously designed the course in such a way that we talk about introduction, like what is artificial intelligence and everything. And then we slowly talk about how the old problems are getting solved with the new concept of AI. And how this is creating a paradigm shift in problem solving today. Because this will help you to understand the importance of AI in today's world. And why this course is important, you will get to know when you look at the second module. The third one is World of Prediction Missions, where you are getting exposed to machine learning as a concept, because we are deep diving into machine learning, which is considered to be the core of artificial intelligence, and then machine learning algorithms, then practical applications of AI. When I talk about algorithms, I'm not going to scare you by teaching the statistical part of it much. But I'm going to take some generic algorithms and help you understand the basics of it and help you to relate to the practical examples in those areas, so that you are able to connect the algorithm, the learning part, and the practical application part. So without understanding that, your learning process will not be complete. So I will ensure that everyone, even person who doesn't know statistics, will be able to pick it up. Because I come from the background where I was scared of statistics for a long time. So I have consciously kept that in mind to design this one, so that people who are not even aware of statistics will be able to pick it up. So it will all be commonsensical approach. And then we'll look at practical applications of AI in different space. Then we'll also look at how AI is implemented. Then AI in marketing. Let's get to the domain area. Like futuristic marketing and AI in marketing. These are modules which will focus on practical applications in the respective domain space. Like here I have given it from the marketing point of view. But if you're a finance grad, you will be exposed to AI in finance. And what is the futuristic finance that we're talking about? And then we'll develop a business case in your domain on how AI can be implemented. And this is the project that you are going to have, which is actually going to help you to apply all the learnings you have had in this particular component. So what we are looking at is two different courses, one focusing on AI and one focusing on AI in domain. and then marry both to do a project. So you'll be having three broad components, but all these things we are planning to cover it in less than 20 hours. That's what our goal is. And apart from the pre-recorded videos for each of these sessions, we are also going to organize 2 webinars at least to ensure that we are in touch with you. We talk to you, we clarify your doubts, we tell you what is happening in the market so that you are ready. And this is what makes us different compared to what is happening in the market in the name of online courses. Because online courses, many a times the challenge is the students are not exposed to the reality. So we wanted to connect the face and the audio and the voice to give you an heads up of what is happening in the market, and you will have one person to move to for any doubts that are coming in this particular course. And we do not leave it just like that. We will also be acting as mentor for you throughout the course. So we'll ensure that you receive guidance and support throughout the program for any doubts related to the topics. There will be additional readings also provided for every module so that you learn a bit more if you are keen to expose and to experience further. And there will be a quiz for every module, which is not a kind of evaluation process, I'll put it that way. It is just to summarize the learnings and you can test your knowledge in the platform. And finally, there will be a certification exam which will actually help you to take this complete certification on both these aspects together, and then finally complete the certification before you take on the project. So there will be a WhatsApp group, and there will be a personalized query support available for you to contact us anytime in whatever form which you are comfortable with. And 1 or 2 webinar sessions will be organized with participants to walk you through the career aspects and industry view to help you gain more knowledge from our experience. In fact, we wouldn't mind to organize even more webinars if there is a need, because our goal is your learning. Finally, you should learn all the aspects from our course. The prerequisites for this program, if you look at it, all you need is just common knowledge. You don't need to be very specialized in any technology or anything. You can be from a commerce background, you can be from an engineering background, you can be from any background. It doesn't matter. So we will ensure that your learning happens in very simplified form. So that's what we are known for. We don't complicate things, we simplify it so that we generate interest for you in a particular topic. And then when you are exposed to the outside world of artificial intelligence, you will understand everything that is being talked about, and you'll be able to pick up latest things from the online world of free resources. So the course is consciously designed for freshers and the college students, so don't worry about it. And certification will be given. 2 certificates will be offered. So one on introduction to AI and the second one on AI in your domain, so that we ensure that you are able to do this as a packaged course. And also, if your live project is very good, if you have done really well, we would give you an additional certificate appreciating your effort for the project that you are completing as part of this course. So how are we going to deliver this complete module? All modules are pre-recorded and will be available in our MyShiksha portal for you to access it. And every week 2 modules will be released online, and the batch progress will be monitored every week, and we will provide you additional reference material, articles, books, everything for you to download and learn more. And webinars, we will be organizing it over the weekend, and you are expected to invest 4 to 6 hours on an average per week for this learning process. And I am sure if you do this, in 5 weeks you will be able to complete this full module. And for evaluation, we have just put it across as a summary of learnings to test your knowledge at every module, and there will be a final certification exam at the end of all modules. So I spoke about the different modules that are available so that you are aware of this course that is available. And who is going to take this course? All the videos are prepared personally with the help of a team, and with the help of this mentor Lakshmi Narayanan, that is me, who is an experienced management consultant with extensive experience in providing AI and analytics consulting to many Fortune 500 companies over the last 13 to 15 years. So a management graduate from IIM Lucknow with a postgraduate diploma in AI machine learning from IIIT Bangalore. So I believe I have been practicing this for the last few years. So I have I'm also a visiting faculty in different colleges like IIM Kolkata, Lucknow, and Trichy. So I'm bringing all that expertise to simplify the concept for you so that you are able to pick this up. And I'm also a mentor for a lot of MSMEs and a lot of IIMs to help the students navigate through their placement process and get them placed in good companies. So I will be acting as a mentor for you for this particular course. And finally, despite all these things, why should I join this course? What makes this course different from other platforms? So if you look at it, this is one of the very few courses which are offered by the Indian faculty for the Indian courses, for the Indian students, and the course customized for Indian market. Like if you compare online portals, you have global content delivered by global industry folks, may not be relevant to the current maturity state of the Indian market. So that's a conscious ask in the market. So we have fulfilled it. And we will also give you practical assignments once in a while so that we are able to test your knowledge. And we will give you personalized feedback for every assignment. That is something we would like to offer it very clearly so that you learn from whatever the modules that you cover. Finally, query support, WhatsApp group. There are different channels that are going to be created so that you can communicate with the mentor every now and then, and there will not be any hassles in the communication forum. And live webinars to ensure that you interact with the industry people, thereby you are able to get the best view of the course as well as the topic. So I hope you have understood the core objectives of this particular program and how this program is different from others. And we look forward to onboard you in My Shiksha portal to help you learn artificial intelligence. And the students who are currently pursuing this course from across campuses, okay, in Bangalore Business Schools as well as in other campuses like BITS Pilani, every student has given a very positive feedback about the course, and they really appreciate the way we simplify the concepts for them and how we generate the interest in a particular topic for them. So I'm sure you will join them and you will provide testimonies at the end of this program for the good work that we are trying to do in the market. So looking forward to onboard you. All the best for your careers and placements. Thank you.